Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. Before we get started, I want to say that the last video that I uploaded wasn't the best. I did see some mistakes on that video. Microphone wasn't working properly, and there's certain things that I caught that I wish I would have caught before and fixed that. So I do apologize. I am getting better at it. I'm aware of it, and I appreciate every single one of you that keeps watching. There's definitely a lot of hiccups every single time I upload, so I appreciate your patience with me. So today I am in the 2024 GR86. This is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine, giving you 228 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque. MSRP on the vehicle is $30,684. Fuel economy 22 combined city highway, 20 on the city and 26 on the highway. And the exterior is the beautiful Trueno blue. It shines very nice under the sun. And then interior black fabric. It only has one package, which is your all-weather matte package. That is $289. Let's go ahead and take a look at this outside. Starting off with the paint, the Trueno blue. Let's get a closer look of this metallic blue under the sun. Here are your headlights. The front end of the GR86, you have black mirror caps, GR badging. You have your vents. "18-inch alloy wheels. And here is the back end. Tail lights, your LED tail lights. GR badging. Here is your exhaust on the bottom of the car. Let's take a look at this interior. Door panel. You have a bottle holder down there. Here are your switches to the windows and the door locks. Here's the key. Anybody is wondering how it looks like. And here's the steering wheel. It is stitched up. The seats. Thick, nice seats with your GR86 manual seats. Take a look at this one more time. GR badge. Here's your multimedia system. Another GR badge. Your climate controls. Here is your shift knob. Traction, your track button if you want to take it out in the track. Here are your two cup holders here in the back. Two USB-C ports and then an auxiliary cable there. Now the back, this is not very easy to be comfortable in. It's very uncomfortable back here, so this is not a family car. But if you wish to put people back there, it's probably going to be super tight and they are going to be very uncomfortable. All right, guys, we are on the road with the GR86. I want to see how this does. That is amazing. It hugs the road. Amazing. Very fun car, and it's fast. Now, you could hear the cabin noise a lot, and you do feel the bumps, but that is what you expect out of a sports car, lower car. It's a very fun car. It hugs the road really, really nice. Going up a hill, it's taking the hill very, very nice. Manual transmission in a GR86 is the way to go. You have your automatic transmission, but it's definitely a manual transmission car. If you're driving one, what are your thoughts? Is this something that you would get again? Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys liked the video enough to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your thoughts down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.